Manjuna Chandriya. Today we'll be learning how to use XLOOKUP combining with the product function to get the bonus amount. So have a small data, employee name, department, salary and the bonus amount. Bonus amount we need to find in the E column. So the bonus criteria is given here. So each department what is the percentage of bonus. So we need to calculate bonus amount here based on the sales department on the salary amount. So for that what we can do, we can use the XLOOKUP. Start with XLOOKUP, open bracket, the lookup value. So we are looking value based on the department. So I'm going to select value means 1. So I'm going to select one sales department. We are looking for sales department under which criteria? Under bonus criteria we are trying to check in the department. So I'm going to select only this department column. Do F4 function to log the cells, comma. So return array. Return array is like what is the return value. So we are looking for the percentage here. So I'm going to select the percentage column, function F4, comma. So we need to get the excitement. You can give the 0 as the excitement, close the bracket, hit enter. So now we got the percentage here. These are the percentage that is picked here. Okay. But what we are trying to look for is bonus amount. I don't want the percentage, but I want the actual bonus amount that should be credited to this employee. So for this, just double click on this formula. Prior to XLOOKUP, after equals, type product, open bracket. So we are trying to uh, get the bonus amount based on the salary, right? Based on the salary and the percentage. So just product, open bracket, select the T2, comma. So we have started with the open bracket, so we should end with the closing bracket again. So to the last of the formula, you just add one more bracket, closing bracket, hit enter. Just copy the formula down. Now it is Pixie for sales 10%. Sales 10% is 5,500 on the based on his salary. So you should get 5,500. For marketing is 12%. So 60,000 is salary. So you get 7,200. If you want to do manually, you can check here 60,000 into 12%, 7,200. So it will be no need to add any other columns, directly picks the data. I hope this function was helpful. Do let me know for any other function that I can do a video on, and please do comment and suggestions so that I can improve on that. Thank you so much.